Ever feel like your business is the world's best-kept secret, hidden in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered? What if you could flip the script and have thousands of eyes on your brand in minutes, not months? That's not a pipe dream. It's exactly why ScaleUp exists. Imagine waking up to a flood of new customers, all because you finally found the megaphone your business deserves. ScaleUp isn't just another promotion platform. It's your ticket out of obscurity and into the spotlight. Forget paying for overpriced ads that barely move the needle. With ScaleUp, you showcase your products and services to a massive audience, absolutely free. But here's where it gets exciting. Refer friends, colleagues, or even the coffee shop owner down the street, and you earn real cash every month. The more you help others grow, the more you win. And if you're a referral rockstar, you could snag a share of over $2,500 every single week. It's not just about business, it's about community, momentum, and real rewards that keep on giving. Ready to give your brand the spotlight it deserves? Join ScaleUp now and let the world finally see what you've built.